I've seen the mud cabin he danced his wild jigs in, as neat a mud cabin as ever was seen, considering 'twas used to keep poultry and pigs in. I'm sure you'll allow 'twas both tidy and clean. But now all around seems so sad and so lonely, all sad and all silent, no piper, no reel, not even the sun through the casement shines cheery, since I lost my own darling boy, Teddy O'Neill. I dreamt but last night a bad cess to my dreaming. I'd die if I thought it would e'er come to pass. I dreamt while the tears down my pale cheeks were streaming that Teddy was courting another fair lass. Oh, didn't I wake with such weeping and wailing? The pain of that thought was too much to conceal. My mother cried, Nora, child, what is your failing? But all I could answer was Teddy O'Neill. Shall I ever forget when the big ship was ready and the moment had come for my love to depart? I cried like a skulking goodbye to you, Teddy, with a tear in my eye and a stone at my heart. He says 'tis too better, his fortune he's roving, but what would be gold to the joy I would feel to see him come back to me, honest and loving, still poor, but my own darling Teddy O'Neill.